Greetings from Södersved, this beautiful beach located in Värmdö municipality, and I am the only person on the beach today, and it is the first day of the month, 1st of October, sorry, 1st of October, and beach number 130 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. I have been so far one time on this beach. It was in the middle of the summer, and back then it was also cloudy, but not as cold as today, as currently we have just 11 degrees Celsius in the air. And what is so interesting about this beach is that it's not just a beach, but it also has a somewhat of a restaurant with mini golf and even camping on both sides of these ends, and even the Swedish flag. Also, it has a jumping platform in the floating jumping platform in the sea. But what I have noticed is that they have taken out the ladder or steps, as I used to call it, to get into the water. But that obviously won't stop me from taking a swim. Yesterday I was in Grislinge, on the other side of the sea here, and here maybe you will suspect that this is a lake, but let not the eyes fool you. This is actually sea, but just a little bit of a bay here, and it opens on the other end. So yesterday it was 15 degrees Celsius in the sea in Grislinge. So I'm really wondering how much will be in the temperature today. So I'm definitely going to measure. So off we go with the thermometer. And I will definitely be aiming to jump from that platform as well. And now I realized I have taken it a bit too far. So we'll try to wait for it to come here. But I don't think so, because the water is simply floating on itself. So yeah, then I will need to then jump to see the temperature of the water, which is fine. I think it was deep enough here last time when I did jump. And yes, to get here it's around 20 minutes bus ride from Slussen. The closest bus stop is Bjärtelundsvägen, and from there you need to walk around 3 kilometers to get here. And it is surreal that I'm the only person on this autumn day. Yes, the autumn has officially arrived last week in Stockholm also. The meteorological, as we call it. And even though the natural one that started on 21st of September. So okay, then it's time for me to dive in here. I think it's around 15 degrees, so I will be also heading up there for a dive as well. So Södersved, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, the sea, it's amazing indeed. And yes, as I suspected, 15 degrees Celsius in the sea. Same as yesterday. Now let's swim a bit more and jump also from that platform. It's actually the same platform that I did jump yesterday from at Grislinge, but there it was a bit more waves compared to how it is here today. And let October give us a lot of days like this, where the water is still warm enough for me to swim longer. It's so lovely indeed. Now, as they have taken the steps, let me see. Climb with my friend. So yeah, that's more like it. Now I'm on the platform, and the sea looks absolutely stunning. Incredible. Incredible indeed. I need to catch a break a bit from the climbing, but yeah, now let's head up and jump from the top. Oh, this is, I think is it 5 meters? I have no idea. No, it's not. It feels like a bit more than that. So with this wonderful view of Södersved, it's time for me to jump also in the sea from the platform. And yeah, let's then get going. Ready, set, and go! Amazing. I love it. Beautiful. So, beach adventures with Kris from Södersved. It's time for me now to take a longer swim. I would aim for 30 minutes. So let's see if I make it. But there's no wind and 15 degrees in the sea, so it sounds possible. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.